everyone, this is Mohammad Zishanuddin. In today's video, I will be walking you through 10 Python exercises I have completed as part of my college assignment. These exercises cover basic of Python programming and I will be explaining them in simple terms. Let's dive in. Exercise 1. Coding is cool. First exercise is about string concatenation. We combine three words coding is and cool into one sentence. Here we define three variables with word coding is and cool. By using the plus operator and adding space between each words, we combine them into single string. When we run the code, the output on the screen will be coding is cool. Exercise 2. Simple sums. This exercise demonstrates how to add four numbers together: 13, 22, 37, and 53. In this code, we store the number in variable and calculate their sum. We then print the result using the formatted string. The output will be display the sum of 13, 22, 37, and 53 is 125. Exercise 3. Biography Advance. Here we gather the information from the user, including the first name, second name, hometown, and age. Then store the data in a dictionary. This exercise interactive and demonstrate how to collect and store the user information in a structured format using a dictionary. The program will display the entered detail. For example, first name Zishanuddin, second name Muhammad, hometown, age. With Biography Advanced, let's go for basics. In the simpler version, we directly print the predefined information from a dictionary. Here, the dictionary already contains the data and we simply retrieve and display it using formatted string. The output will display name, hometown, and age. Exercise 4. Primitive quiz. This exercise introduces a basic quiz that checks your knowledge of the capital of various countries. This simple quiz uses conditional statement to verify if the user answer matches the correct one. The lower bracket method ensures that capitalization doesn't affect the results. If the user enter Paris, the program display correct. The answer is Paris. Otherwise, it will show incorrect. The correct answer is Paris. Exercise 5. Day of the month. This program calculates how many days are in a given month and check for leap year in February. This code demonstrates how to use dictionaries for quick lookups and how to handle special cases like leap years. For instance, if the user selects February in a leap year, The output will be February has 29 days in a leap year. Exercise 6. Brute force attack. In this exercise, the user gets limited numbers of attempts to enter the correct password. This exercise uses loops and counters to implement a simple password system with limited attempts. This user gets up to 5 attempts to enter the correct password. If the correct password is entered, access is granted and the program stops. Otherwise, it provides feedback about the remaining attempts. If the user enter correct password 12345 within 5 attempts, the program output access granted. If all 5 attempts are incomplete, it displays maximum attempts reached. The authorities have been alerted. Sum counting. Here we use loops to count up and down in various increments. We use Pythons for loops with the range function to count numbers in different patterns. Each loop demonstrates a unique way of iterating, whether it's incrementing, decrementing, or skipping by certain steps. For example, the first loop output number from 0 to 50 in increments of 1. The second loop countdown from 50 to 0. The third loop starts from 30 and ends at 50 in increments of 1, and so on, showcasing different counting techniques. 8. Simple search. This exercise search for a specific name within the list. We define a list of names and allow the user to input a name to search for. Using the in operator, we check if the entered name exists in the list and print a message accordingly. For example, if the user search Jake, the output will be Jake was not found in the list. If the name isn't in the list, the program will output not found in the list. Exercise 9. Hello. This exercise demonstrates a simple function that prints hello. The program defines a function hello that prints hello when called. The main function is used as the entry point to call the hello function. The structure ensures modularity and improve code's organization. When the program runs, it displays hello. Exercise 10. Is it even? We determine whether a number is even or odd using a function. This program uses the modulus operator to check divisibility by 2. If the remainder is 0, the number is not even, otherwise it's odd. This logic is encapsulated in a function for reusability. If the user inputs 6, the output will be the number is even. If the input is 7, the output will be the number is odd. Here we comes to an end. We have explored 10 Python exercises covering everything from strings and loops to function and dictionaries. I hope this explanation makes the concept clear and easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.